You can invest money.
Yay!
You can be rich.
That's so exciting.
Just remember about serotonin in your brain.
Kind of sounds really boring and just miserable.
Hi guys, this is Dmitry Bondar.
And I am Kate, his daughter.
And this is the best financial channel for dads and for kids. Seems like I didn't take off the sticker. I leave it. I want to be unique. And we live in Austin, Texas. On this channel, we're sharing with you our investment wisdom and some
Tips for me.
tips and tricks that you can use in your everyday financial and investment life. And we're just trying to make this funny and easy to digest for everyone. Let me ask you one question. Do you know who are these guys on the wall?
I think, okay, that's Elon Musk.
Bill Gates
Yeah, Bill Gates, that's...
and Warren
I
Buffett.
don't know that guy.
And you might believe that today we will talk how to be a rich guy. It's boring, right?
Yes, it is boring.
We will talk what 5 habits will make you really, really poor.
Not
Does it?
motivating, but okay.
Okay, let's talk about 5 habits that will make you financially dependent. Are you ready?
I am
Do you
ready.
know? Okay, keep going. Do you know what is a paycheck?
Yes, I do know what's a paycheck.
What is a paycheck?
Well, let's say you work for a month or however long it is, and you get your money on a certain day every month or every 2 months.
And what you should do with your paycheck every month?
Well, you pay your bills, you know, your water bill, electricity, you buy stuff that you need, groceries, whatever.
Okay, the really bad habit, the really bad thing what you can do with your paycheck, just to take your iPhone or Android, just to take a pile of cash and to make selfie. Have you seen someone sitting in a very expensive Lamborghini?
Yes.
Do you think all these guys, they are the real owner of this Lamborghini?
Well, probably not.
Have you met some of these guys?
I haven't. Not yet. But
Do you know there is a service where you can simply rent a car, expensive car?
yes.
It's cost like how much?
Way less
Okay.
than the actual car cost.
Not to pretend that you are really, really rich and you have a lot of money. Nobody cares how much money you have.
Okay, but why? Like, it might, you know, the reason people post it is to look cool. And let's say they might get that, why not post it then?
This is a really big habit because you are trying to be, you are someone not. You are...
Someone you're not.
This is a really big financial habit because you are trying to be someone you are not. Oops. Give me a second, someone's at the door. Okay, the second really bad financial habit would be, what do you think?
It could be maybe, let's see, maybe gambling or spending your money like freely.
To be honest, many people every month in US spending money just to buy lottery tickets.
How much do these lottery tickets cost?
To be honest, I never bought it, but I think it's about like a $1. But a chance to win in a lottery is like a 1 in a 300 million or 1 in a 200
So
million.
basically don't even bother trying because you won't win.
You can try, but you cannot make your strategy based just on a winning in the lottery.
Hey mom,
Yes.
can you buy me a lottery ticket?
No, why?
Well, Dad said there's 1 in 3 million chance that I might actually win something, so, you know, I'll take the chances. Oh, wow. Do you have a coin?
What do you think is another way of lottery? How people spending their money?
Well, gambling?
Yeah, but
Like,
another way of gambling.
like investing, but very poorly. Like very risky investments, maybe?
So some people don't make a kind of analysis. They don't spend enough time trying to understand what they're doing. So they just, you know, read this story on a Facebook or somewhere else and just trying to invest. Or they can get an email newsletter from experts telling what to buy, what not to buy. So
Do your own research on investing.
do your own
basically.
research, yeah, do your own homework. And if you just want to invest without any investigation, without deep analysis, just go to the Walmart and buy what? Lottery ticket. It's easier. Don't do any investment research, just buy a lottery ticket. And the third worst habit in my list is it about how much we spend for the things that we really don't need.
Oh yeah.
Why do you think people buy all this stuff they actually don't need?
Well, it's certainly because, like, you know, some things you really want at the moment, but you don't really think about it, or you really value a certain thing that you want more than saving.
You know, there is a little bit easy explanation. We have a part of brain that
Serotonin.
just produce serotonin, a kind of chemical that helps out us to be happy. So every time when we are buying something really cool, a new iPhone, a new whatever, a new flash card for a camera or something like this, a new watches, like we are getting a dose of serotonin in our brain. If you understand how your brain works, you can control your brain.
Oh yeah, but it kind of sounds really boring and just miserable.
Why?
Well, because you don't get any.
You can
happiness
invest
from it.
money.
Yay!
You can be rich.
That's so exciting.
You will be really rich in 20.
It's a long time from now. And now I'm gonna go and try to find people in our house that have things that they don't actually need. Hello, Lana. Do you actually need all these dolls and the makeup?
I need the doll.
You don't really need it, do you?
I do.
You do? Hi, Max. Oh my god. Are these all yours? I need this puppy. Okay, let's go check my room. What's that?
Let's see what I need all of that. Oh no, you don't. Mine. No. Let me show you someone who really has a lot of things he doesn't I think really you know need. who you're talking about.
Hello, Dad.
So every time when you see a really cool stuff, think twice or 3 times. Do you really need
See
this?
it, then go back and see
Ask
it
your
again.
parents.
Or ask your parents. That will say no and you will go and cry about it because you really wanted that thing.
Okay. And the bad habit number 4. My question to you, what people don't do every month? A lot of people don't do this.
Well, maybe like keeping track of your money, possibly.
Oh yeah, people just living from paycheck to paycheck. It's a kind of
Being lazy again.
being lazy, it's a kind of cliff jumper. So every time, every month, your spending looks like this, like up, pew! Up, pew! So you are just jumping from the cliff every time when you run out of money. So if you don't repeat this mistake, you have to do what?
I don't know, keep track of your money, maybe control yourself when spending.
Okay, how you can track all your money?
Well, make sure you don't sign up for any things, or if you do, then at least, you know, jot it down or remember it or somehow. Are there any like applications or any apps or any tools to like, you know, help a teenager keep track of their finances?
You know, I highly recommend just to click on the App Store on your iPhone, and there are some really cool apps that I used in the past. For example, QuickBooks is very popular, but there are plenty of others like Spending Tracker, Every Dollar, or Smart Receipts, Money Manager, pretty good app as well. So there are plenty of these apps. You can use whatever you want, but I personally prefer to use just Excel sheet and put all my expenses in Excel. And after that, you can, let's say, divide all your expenses for 2 parts. Like we have to keep doing this, and we have to stop doing this.
Yeah.
And only after that you can invest something. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Do you know how to use Excel sheet?
Yes, kind of.
Okay, keep going. If you want to
And
go.
here's your 5th tip for if you want to be very poor.
What is it? What do you think? Type in the comments.
Listening to salespeople,
Listening to someone.
to someone, and
Who's-
their suggestions on what you should buy. And
Yeah, you should buy a new dress. You should buy a new, I don't know, iPhone. You should buy something else. Like Guys, just believe me, I have been working in a sales since 2003, 2004. I built several sales departments. The only one skill we are teaching all salespeople, try to sell as much as possible. So next time when you will be at Apple store and the sales guy tell you to buy a new iPhone number 25, what you will say to him? No, I have my iPhone 8 Plus and it works perfectly. I don't need your iPhone 25. I will be waiting for iPhone 26.
Don't listen to anyone when it comes
Yeah.
basically.
Only to your parents.
Only to your parents.
Yeah, but if your parents say you buy a new iPhone, don't listen to them as well.
Just never buy a new iPhone.
Never buy a new phone. No, I'm
Never.
kidding. I'm kidding. To be honest, I have an iPhone 8 just because it works perfectly. I don't need a
I
new
have a
one.
better iPhone than you.
Yeah, she has a
I'm
better
an
iPhone
XR.
because I love her. So yeah, that's why people spending there, listen to other people. They want to, be really cool. And my last question to you, Kate, what should be even worse than listening to other people and buying a stuff you don't need?
Spending money you don't have on things you don't need.
How that's possible?
Well, using your credit card or taking out loans or borrowing money.
Why is it really bad?
Because let's say you don't have enough to pay it back at some point or a certain month, you are broke, you're screwed.
What do you think salesmen do every time when you're visiting a store and you don't have money?
They'll be like, well, it's okay, you can borrow and you can give it back later.
Yeah, but the problem is
So you
that
won't be giving it back
the
later.
problem is they don't care about your financial situation.
They'd be checking like, oh wait, you're not earning enough to pay back. That's
Yeah,
totally okay.
yeah.
Leave the store or
Or
something.
can you imagine the case when a salesman will be asking you like, oh, you have so much portion of debt on your credit card, don't buy this thing. Can you imagine this?
I cannot. They're doing their job.
They're just getting compensation
Yeah.
because they're selling something. So that's
Yes.
it's totally okay. That's their job, but it's not okay when someone just trusts salesman or
It's
someone
good
else.
for them, not good for you.
Absolutely.
Be selfish.
Be selfish, think about your family, think about your wealth,
Your own finances.
and be a really smart, financially educated girl.
Yes.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Put any questions in the comments. We will be explaining some other pretty complicated financial things in easy way. And this is my daughter.
Kate.
And Dad, my name is Dmitry Bonder. Have a good day and peace out.